Summer Scent of the Day. Ito si Enzo Scents and kanilang version ng Sauvage. Alright. So si Sauvage ang ginamit natin for the whole day today. Perfume, and I'll let you know kung gaano siya kaganda in terms of presentation. Okay. So simulan muna natin sa price ni Enzo Scents. Si Enzo Scents ay around 500 pesos nung nabili ko siya a couple of months ago. And bakit ngayon lang natin siya sinuot ulit? Kasi nga, most of my perfumes, I do a first impression first, and then I go ahead and have them rest. Okay? Para mag-mature yung perfume, and doon natin malaman kung ano talaga yung performance ng perfume after na nag-rest siya. That's just for me. Okay? Kasi most of the perfumes that I was able to test and review, pagka ginamit ko agad siya after kakabili ko lang siya, especially mga Middle Eastern perfumes, hindi ganun kaganda yung performance, and iba yung amoy niya minsan versus dun sa mga perfumes na rest na natin or napamature na natin yung perfume itself. Now, ganun nga yung reason bakit medyo matagal. So ito si Enzo Scents Sauvage, ginamit natin for the whole day. I started applying the perfume at 2:30, and up until now, alauna na ng madaling araw, naamoy ko pa rin siya sa aking clothes. Okay. Now, in terms of the presentation, balikan muna natin. Okay, gusto ko itong bote ni Enzo Scents kasi nga sorry, medyo meron tayong sore throat niya. Anyways, bottle presentation pala, ang ganda-ganda na. Cap is black, and then meron siyang grip, additional na grip sa tapos may lining siya ng gold, tapos black yung atomizer. Bottle itself is clear mostly, tapos harapan, ito yung pinakagusto ko, bakal siya, or I think engraved siya dun sa perfume bottle itself. So black, tapos may branding, tapos kung ano yung kanyang perfume na ginagaya or dinudupe. Okay. Now, in terms of the sprayer, ganda rin ang sprayer na ito. Okay. Laki ng kanyang buga, and tama-tama yung volume na lumalabas na perfume. Now, in terms of the scent itself, pagka-open pa lang ni Enzo Scents Sauvage, amoy na amoy mo na kagad yung Calabrian bergamot and pepper. Okay? And then, ayan, after a few seconds, naamoy mo na kagad din si ambroxan and cedar na pagka-woody. Ayan. Ganda ng kanyang combination. So, naamoy mo na rin yung patchouli afterwards, after a few seconds. Now, in terms of presentation, again, as I mentioned a while ago, 2:30, nispray ko na siya a couple of times sa wrist, sa shirt, sa leeg, and then pagdating ko sa office, mga alas 3, and until 5:30, 6 o'clock, yan, medyo nagpo-project siya. Alright? And then, nagiging skin set na siya nung mga bandang 6:30, 7 o'clock, up until right now, sa skin ko, naamoy ko pa rin siya. So, yung projection niya, again, it lasts for around 2 to 3 hours, okay? And then nagiging skin set na siya within those 3 to 5 hours. Tapos continuous pa rin naman siya, naamoy mo pa rin naman siya hanggang sa pag-uwi mo. So around 8 hours or so. Pero if you want to have a better projection, you just have to reapply probably on the 4th or the 5th hour yung Enzo Scents na Sauvage. Now, in terms of sealage and projection, siguro mga 3 to 4 feet at best yung kanyang projection and sealage. Pag lalakad ka, medyo may maamoy ka na scent trail. Now, pagka may mga nabubuga ka ng aircon or ng electric fan, naamoy mo rin siya. Mayroon siyang scent bubble around you. Okay? So, yun lang naman ang masasabi natin for our scent of the day. Tama-tama, summer ngayon. This is a good scent for actually any occasion. Mapagabi, mapaumaga, mapa-date, mapa-office, mapa-school. This is a very safe kind of scent na pwede mong gamitin. It's a well-known scent to everyone. Maamoy mo to kahit sa actually. Lalo na nung panahon na usong-uso siya. Alright? So, how do I rate this in terms of the price to performance ratio? I'd say probably around 8 out of 10. Alright? Price-wise, di naman siya ganun kamura, di naman siya ganun kamahal. So, at around 500 pesos for a 50 ml bottle, okay na siya. Just have to reapply probably within the 4 to 5 hour mark kung gusto mong maamoy ka na ibang tao. Now, if ever naman gusto mo lang talaga siyang maamoy sa sarili mo, no need to reapply. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions on any perfumes that you'd like for me to review, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching and bye!